play some Minecraft. I gotta change my Minecraft skin. Let's. This is gonna look cute, so I'm gonna choose the mini Jasmine. Doesn't it look so cute? So, now I'm gonna go play some Minecraft. I'm gonna play the world. My world. Floaty, floaty. I'm not. Oh. I'm gonna play my world and then we're gonna play a game. Our word. World is a word. Hey, yeah, this is the right world. I control it. Hold on. Okay, I turned off the sound a little bit, but still. I'm going to say creative mode. And this is, I got a really big world. This is how big it is. It's so big. So big. Hey. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye. This is my water house. Kind of destroyed it. So there's lots of holes in it. Crafting table. 2, 1 second. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Oh, bye, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Back. This is all the food I have. Water bottle. It should be one potion because it's a potion. My secret chest. That hides on it. I'm gonna put on this hat. My head's up there. Who cares? I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go collect things even though this thing's gonna be, well, I can't collect things. It's okay, I'll just get things from here. I'm just gonna see really cool things. I'm actually gonna make, since I never made something on videos, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna make a jungle house. So this is what you're gonna need. Vines, lily pads and dirt and a little bit of stone that looks like it's gonna break. And you're gonna need a water book for the lily pads.
Why are you playing? Why are you playing?
Minecraft.
Minecraft?
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna build it right somewhere over there in the forest. Actually, somewhere farther. I can't go too far. I don't have a map for my. Wait, do I? Did I see one here? I don't have any maps.
What? You have a map?
Okay. I'm gonna build it right here by this jungle, right on top of this mountain. This is gonna look good. I don't have to dig out like this. You know I just did. I don't have to do that. So I'm just gonna start building.
What are those? What are those?
Sheep. Get out of here, sheep. Can you go in the hole? Can I push you into a hole? Bye bye. Bye bye. I gotta build out here.
What are you going to build out of here?
Sheep. Ow! I have to build it. Great.
Why do you keep flying in?
I don't know. I'm weird. I don't know why.
Let me take
Where's that sheep?
Let's see.
I'm gonna put him in the hole. Then I'm gonna build. Who cares about the sheep? I'm just gonna start building.
There's another one.
I'm just gonna.
There's a lot of
It's gonna
sheep.
be a dirt. No, this is pretty.
There's a lot of sheep.
It's gonna be fast.
There's a lot of sheep.
Ugh. This is like build battle. This is like build battle. Okay, it's not gonna be that big. I don't have that much land. I just want to be at the size of the land. I thought this was too big, but I guess not. Okay, a little bit should be gonna be a pattern of dirt. Is that pretty? It looks a little pretty. There should be 2 dirt over here, and then this. That look pretty? Yeah, it looks pretty enough. Dun, 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 dun. I think I'm doing it like that. Dun, dun.
I just blew
I'm building a
it
flower.
down.
Dun, 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 dun. I can make music. Stop talking. I just can you can talk. Okay, right there, over here, this one. Almost done. Come on, this will take us forever. Okay, right here can be almost all stone, but it's gonna be like with 1 dirt right here, like right there. Not the lily pad. Okay. Okay, that looks good enough.
And that.
Tell me this is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Actually, I'm gonna make this one more. Done. This is gonna be a dirt house. The walls are gonna be dirt, which is kind of be disgusting, but it's still gonna be great. I never read a 2 dirt before.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna use like a door that looks like it's been made. Like this one. That one looks like been made by barrel and metal. So, yeah.
Is that your home?
No, this is a dirt house.
Who's gonna live in it?
No one. This is just for show.
What?
No one's gonna go in this. This is just for show. It's just cool to build. Was it gonna be a little disgusting? No, I said they're gonna be disgusting. Well, Derek's not. I know Derek's not disgusting. It's gonna be half of this. It's just gonna be 3 high. Because I don't want this to take really long.
I don't want to run long.
Oh no. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Right here. Come on. Down my step. Down my step. Down my step. Alright. What did I say? Come on. Move. Let's look good with this. I'm gonna change this. And this. Into that right there. Right there. Better. Okay, if that one's there. Okay, stone right here. Continue. Why is this taking so long? If I use... Wait, hold on. How about I do this, right? Why am I just doing... Why don't I just do this? This will be easier. Okay, now I'm gonna go inside and... Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Oh, why is there 3 like this? Weird. Get rid of that, and get rid of that. Fix that, and make that right here. There. Okay. Cool. I need to finish this. I need to finish it. I need to. I don't want any windows because this is like a forest house or something. What did I say what it was? I forgot. Wait, did I say Joker house? Whatever. I don't care. Come in, come in, come in, come in. No, that looks weird. Let's not change it. I'll make the roof later. It's gonna be like a sandcastle. No, that's bad. I'm gonna make it somewhere over here. Actually, I'm gonna put it near it. I'm gonna use dirt. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool if that there, but I'm gonna put the... Okay. It's like cool there. But, you can do this. That way. That way, that's cool. Well, don't go this way. That needs to, okay. Ah! Fell. Get back up. Okay. Oh. Covering this up. Then I'll make the rest. Gee, that hurts. I keep getting distracted. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. Look, this is so cool.
I'm 3 years old.
Yeah.
Say, yeah, everybody knows you're 3 years old because I'm recording right now.
I'm 4 years old.
No, you're not. You're just 3. I said, no, you're not. You're just 3.
You were just 3 like 2 seconds ago. How'd you grow a year?
That's weird.
I think I grow in my dad.
Seiji, you're still the same height you were before.
I know.
Why do you think you're 4 then? What? Oh, is it your pretend birthday today? Oh, Daddy, Seiji's pretend birthday today. Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Okay.
It's Seiji's pretend birthday.
It's my 10th birthday, Daddy.
Oh. It's
Pretend.
Pretend.
It's Your 10